Hi there! So in this video, we'll be looking at the reaction of acid and bases, also known as neutralization. So firstly, we need to know what is a base. So a base is actually any metal oxide or metal hydroxide. So what does that mean? So metal is like sodium, so sodium oxide or sodium hydroxide. These two are bases. Or copper, copper oxide, copper hydroxide. These are bases. So the general equation is hydrogen plus acid plus base give me salt and water, and this is also known as a neutralization reaction. So salt and water. So I have potassium oxide, which is a metal oxide, reacting with nitric acid, which is an acid. So I will get a salt and water. So let's me write water first. So salt, again, nitric acid. So we need to know nitric acid will form a nitrate. And then I need something nitrate, so I get the metal, which is potassium oxide, potassium, which is the compound, in the metal inside the potassium oxide compound. So that's potassium nitrate. So let's write the equation. So potassium is from group 1, so it's K plus. Oxide is from group 16, so that's 2 minus. So therefore, this is K2O. Nitric acid is something that you need to remember, HNO3. Potassium, K plus. Nitrate, NO3 minus. KNO3. And then we have water, H2O. Is this balanced? No. I have 2 potassiums on the left. I have only 1 on the right. So let me put 2. Now I've got 2 nitrate ions. On the left, I only got 1, so let me put a 2 over here. So I think this should be balanced. Okay, right. Okay, next one. Calcium hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid. So I know anything that reacts with hydrochloric acid will form something chloride. So I'll start with the chloride. And then I need to have the metal name. So I'll get that metal name from calcium. So calcium chloride plus water. So calcium is from group number 2, and that will be Ca2 plus. Hydroxide is something you need to remember, OH minus. So therefore this is a Ca open bracket, OH close bracket 2, calcium hydroxide. Please remember how to write this equation, that's pretty important. Right, hydrochloric acid is something you need to remember, HCl. Calcium again is from group 2, so Ca2 plus. Chlorine is from group 17, so that is Cl minus, and therefore it will be a CaCl2 plus H2O, which is water. So now I got 2 chlorines on the right side. On the left side I only have 1, so let me put a 2. And then there's a little bit of confusion over here because it's quite tough. So I got 2 here and then a H, so I got 2H here, and then I got 2H here, so a total I got 4 H's. But here I only got 2. So what should I do? I think I should put a 2 here. What do you think? Right? So let me put a 2 here. And let's check. So if I put a 2 here, that means I got 2 O's. Right? I got 2 O's here. Then what about on this side? I got 2 here and I got O here. So I got 2 O's. So I guess that's correct. Alright? So this is balanced. This is acid plus base reaction, forms salt and water, and is also known as neutralization. So I hope that has been helpful for you. All the best. Bye.